So long range combinations that you can practice and train for long range fighting. Okay, so this one first, so I'll be shooting 5. So this one, first one, let's practice it. Ekis, 2, tagpas, and bagsak. Tagpas. Ekis, 1, 2. So you can use it here, or you can use it in sarada or sarado. 1, 2. Okay. Practice it. Second combo for long range is tabas bagsak, 2, yung tagpas. Tabas bagsak, tagpas. So you can apply it in bukas position or sarado position. Practice it and master it. Can drill for combinations for long range. This one is bas-bas. Bas-bas in RK will be here, but this time I'll do it like this. Hiwa. 1, 2, and tabas. 1, 2, and tabas. I'll hit you here. When you block it, I'm gonna bounce here. Okay. 1, 2, cut it, cut to solta, and do it 1, 2, and sarado position. Okay, go, move. Sorry, my space is not good. Good. Okay, practice it. Next combo for largo is tabas, hagupit, tabas, bagsak. Tabas, bagsak is this. Hagupit is 1 and 2, meaning like a whip. And then whip it. So 1 and 2, and then 3. Okay, number 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Practice it. So this one is for lagom, again for lagomano. So 5 combination for lagomano. So this one is 1 salok saboy is this, and hagupit salok saboy is 1, 2, foul like this, tapas. Okay, but make sure do not lean too much. More. 1, 2, hit. Then start from here. 1, 2, hit. Okay, come up. So like a whip. 1. So okay, practice it.